Hey, YouTube friends and family. So I have this little strip here, and I went to Lowe's today to the clearance section. I'm going to form this strip today in a few hours for about a $50 budget. Lowe's has 5 bags of mulch for $10. So we're going to go ahead and fix this strip up. And I bought little flowers and things to put it together at this quick rental flip, or whatever we're calling it. But I'm going to go ahead and transfer this little strip, and I will keep you involved. This is going to be a short video because I don't have much time to film, but I am going to show you what I bought and show you how I transform it for a small budget of $50. Okay, YouTube friends and family. So I bought 10 bags of mulch for this project. This is the week after Easter, and they are $2 a bag at Lowe's this week. Any color you want, red and black, and I think cedar or whatever. Then I got this. So this is an aloe. It was on clearance, and it was like $4 on clearance. But if you look, there's 2 different aloe plants in here. So I'm going to split those up so they can spread. Also, this pack of begonias, clearance out, $7. They are going down. This Texas sage that flowers is going down, and I brought 2 of those. So I got 2 of those. I've been at it for about 3 hours roughly, based on being off and on. I've been at it about 3 hours, and we got that much done. Working my way till the middle, because if I just get too tired, I may split it up and have just a patch of grass in the middle. Not sure yet, but we're seeing how I progress. I'm going to try to work on it another 2 hours at the digging. I'm using the grub hoe, and it's about the easiest you're gonna get unless you got a tiller. So that's what we're doing, and then I'll let you see the finished product. And I'm doing this solo, so but this is life. This is my curb appeal project for $50. So here we go. I put down the discount flowers. I am tired. I did have a little help because it wore me out to clear the spot, but I have put down all the flowers I had. The begonias were short. They were missing a couple. So I'm going to go grab 2 more flowers for here. But I think I will still fall within that $50 budget for this project. It is looking good. So then we'll spread the red mulch and plant 2 more flowers in those spaces what I marked off. And it'll be a nice project to add some curb appeal to this monstrosity of a house. But stay tuned, be right back. Okay, here is the finished product of the $50 DIY landscaping curb appeal project. This was a chore, but a 1-day project, about 50 to 60 bucks spent, and it is fabulous. It adds so much beauty. Also, quick hit. Check if you don't have grass in your yard and you don't care what kind of grass you have or need to fill in patches. Home Depot had this on clearance. It's regular $39 a bag, and it was on clearance for $9.93. So if you need grass and turf in your yard somewhere, dry spots, bare spots. Right now it's Easter. Well, it's the week after Easter, and they are having a spring Black Friday sale too. And clearance spring Black Friday sales will get you all of this done within, a $50 budget. Remember, these begonias was a 12-pack for $7. This aloe was like $6, but it was 2 in the pot for one price, $6 or $5. I cannot remember. I do have the receipt, and I may show it at the end. And these two, I had to go to standard feed because some of the begonia pots were empty. So I went to standard feed and I found these. They are so cute. They are so pretty. And they are geraniums. They're like a 2000 stripe pink or whatever, Ringo pink. Oh shoot. A Ringo pink. Piece of trash. Ringo pink. And then you have more begonias. So I did the begonias, but again it was short, so I had to run out and get those. Those were $3 a piece. And then these hedges were $7 a piece. And they are a Texas sage. And they do flower. Ooh, a bug. They do flower. So again, you can do this for $50. So here's the Lowe's clearance racks. First thing in the morning before the plants continue to die throughout the day. And you can do something pretty. And again, mulch this week is on sale, $2 a bag. So it's the Spring Black Friday time, so catch those deals. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Lazy HOA Gardener. And love you to life. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed, and do some landscaping. Bye-bye.